Good morning, class 6. Welcome to the computer class. Today we will discuss in this video some extra questions. First of all, we will discuss answer in one word. These are from both the chapter number 6 and chapter number 8. From both the chapter, mixed questions are given here. So first question, what is the another name of blocks? What is the another name of blocks? So another name of blocks are web blocks. Web logs. Next question, write the name of an organized place to get your mails after sign in. So when we will sign in our account, then all our mails, it will be present in the organized order in a inbox folder. Next question, to write a new email message, on which button you click? On which button we will click? Compose button. If we have to write a new message, new email message, first of all we will click on the compose button. Next question, give one example of real-time communication. So very good example of real-time communication is video conferencing. Next question, e-commerce revolves around three categories of people. You know that? So you have to write them. So e-commerce revolves around three categories of people, and these are producers, sellers, and buyers. Next question, what does BCC stands for? BCC means blind carbon copy. Mainly we are using it in email messages when we are sending to more than one person our mail. How can you preview a project in Scratch? So we can preview a project in Scratch by using Sprite Preview. Next question, write the name of a popular wiki-free encyclopedia. So a very popular wiki-free encyclopedia is Wikipedia. Write the name of a favorite e-commerce website. Favorite e-commerce website is Amazon.com. There are so many. You have to write here only one e-commerce website. Next question, write three motion reporter blocks. Which are the three motion reporter blocks? X position, Y position, and third one is direction. Which block controls the scripts in Scratch programming? Answer is control block. So these are some extra question answers which I discussed with you. Now we will get one revision also from chapter 6 and chapter number 8. So let's start from chapter 6 question answers. Our chapter 6 is Scratch Introduction to Game Creation. This chapter you will learn properly. So first question, what can be done using Scratch? What we can do by using Scratch, we can create single level or multi-level Scratch games. Teachers and adults can also use Scratch to create effective educational tools. Next question number B, describe drawing an arrow in Scratch. What are the steps? To draw an arrow in Scratch, we will follow these steps. First of all, we will select the line tool in Paint Editor. Then step 2, we will select the size. Then step 3, we will draw an arrow. Okay, in this way we will draw an arrow and then finally click on OK. Next question number C, how will you change from one sprite to another? We can change sprite by using the new sprite and then we will click on the new sprite icon. In this way you can change from one sprite to another. Describe working with multiple sprites. So in Scratch, we can create multiple sprites by choosing sprite from file or by using Paint Editor tool. Okay, there are two ways we can choose the multiple sprites by choosing the sprite from file. In the file, there are so many sprites you can choose from there, or you can draw according to your wish by using Paint Editor tools. And we can switch also between these sprites by clicking on that sprite icon. Next is what is the use of pen up and pen down. Pen up block puts the sprite's pen up and pen down block puts the sprite's pen down. Next question, what is Scratch and how it is useful? Scratch is a programming language. This extra question I was given. Scratch is a programming language. It provides an interactive environment to create programs by dragging blocks of codes. By using Scratch programming, we can create animations and games. Okay, now we will discuss some more extra questions, fill ups, and true false from this chapter. Okay, so let's start the discussion. First of all, what is the use of, first extra question, what is the use of sound block? Sound blocks are used to control sound and MIDI functions. Next question, what is the use of looks block? Write about two looks reporter blocks. Looks blocks are used to control a sprite's look. These are two looks reporter block. What is the use of looks block? It is used to control a sprite's look, and there are two looks reporter block, costume, size. Costume, the number of the sprite's costume in the list you can take from there, and size, the sprite's size. Next one, what is the use of control block? Write about any two control stack block. Control blocks are used to control the sprite. And which are the two control stack block? First one is wait. Second, it pauses the script for the amount of time and wait until it pauses the script until the condition is true. Next, what is the use of forever block? Forever block is used to create the infinite loop. It will stop after clicking on stop sign. What is the use of forever if block? Forever if block continuously check its boolean condition. If the condition is true, the code held inside the block would run, but if the condition is false, nothing would happen. Forever if block. Fill ups. Fill in the blanks. Here we will discuss the fill in the blanks which are given in your book. So first fill in the blanks which are given in your book is dash button wipes the paint editor clean for a new drawing. Answer is clear. Clear button wipes the paint editor clean for a new drawing. Next question number B, dash allows to change pen color as you are drawing. The answer is change pen color by. Change pen color by allows you to change pen color as you are drawing. Next question, dash size changes the thickness of the drawing tool. So brush size changes the thickness of the drawing tool. Next one, dash are the blocks that controls the sprite's movement. Which block control the sprite's movement? Motion block. Next question, dash are the blocks that control sound and MIDI functions. Which block controls the sound? Sound block. Next, you can change the size of shape by using dash and dash button. So we can change the size of shape by using grow and shrink buttons. Okay. Now next one, true false. Here you have to say whether the given statements are true or false. First one, Scratch is designed only for kids. No, this is false. Scratch is designed for kids as well as for adults. Sprite preview lets you to preview a project. Yes. Sprite Preview. With the help of Sprite Preview, we can preview a project. C. You can rotate image in Scratch. Yes, we can rotate. Number D. Scratch does not allow to work with multiple sprites. No, this is false. Scratch allow us to work with multiple sprites. Last one, motion block controls a sprite's movement. Motion block controls the sprite's movement. Yes, motion block only controls the sprite's movement. So in this way, we have seen from chapter number 6 all the question answers, fill-ups, true, false, extra question answers. Now we will see some question answers from chapter number 8. Chapter 8 is Internet Surfing. Question 1. Write any 5 features which you should keep in your mind while using internet. So these are the main features which we should keep in our mind while using internet. There are so many features, but these are the main features. We should avoid getting into unnecessary arguments during a chat and online discussions. Number 2, we should not share our personal information online with the strangers. Number 3, our work network should be protected from unauthorized persons. Number 4, passwords should be changed at regular interval of time. And one more, if a situation online become hostile, we should log off. It means we should be very careful while using internet. We should not share at all our personal information online, and we should not involve in any unnecessary argument during a chat or during the discussion, online discussion. Our network should be safe, should be protected from unauthorized person, and we should change our password at regular interval of time. Next question. What are the precautions taken before you buy anything over the internet? So these are some precautions which you should take before buying anything over the internet. First of all, we should shop with those companies we are already familiar with. Okay, don't try with unknown companies. We should read reviews to check, means first before purchasing any item, any product. First of all, we should read the review of that item so that we can get some idea. We should make sure the company's website include an actual address and phone number. Okay, so because some companies are fake also. So we should check properly the website address, actual address is not, or phone number is correct or not. Next question, define e-commerce. E-commerce means buying and selling the products and services by businesses and consumers over the internet. Okay, means we can purchase the product, we can sell the products. Both activity we can do here, and it revolves around three categories of people: producers, sellers, and buyers. Next question, what is email? Electronic mail. Email means electronic mail. It is the process of sending and receiving messages over the internet. Okay. Email means we can send the message, we can receive the message. Means we can get the reply also within the seconds. But if you want to send the message, you should know the email address of that person to whom you want to send the message. Next question, how do you compose a new email message? So these are the steps to compose a new email message. First of all, click on compose button. Then type the recipient's email address where to box. Just now I told you, no, we should know the email address of that person to whom we want to send the message. So that address you have to write in to box. Then in subject box, you have to write a brief description of the um, email message, means what is the motive of your message. Step 4, type the body of the email message, means main part of the message you have to write. And then last, click on the send button. Next question, define Google Drive. What is Google Drive? Google Drive is a safe place with file storage created by Google. Okay, this is very safe place where you can store your file in a synchronized manner. And not only you can store your file safely, but you can also share the file from Google Drive. Next question, fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks is it is very important to follow some dash while using internet. So we should follow some netiquette while using internet. Second, password should be changed at. Password should be changed at regular interval. Third one, dash contains that mails which you have deleted. So which mail we will delete that will store in trash folder. Now number D, you can log into your email account by entering your dash and dash. So we can log into your email account by entering your username and password. The last one is dash is the preparation and distribution of audio files. So what is this? Podcasting. Podcasting is the preparation and then distribution of audio files. Next question, true or false? You have to find out whether the given statements are true or false. Blogs are also known as S-blog. No, false. Blogs are known as weblogs. Next question, a Skype is like a free website that you can create and manage easily and regularly. No, this is not a Skype, this is blogging, blog. Okay, so this statement is also false. Number C, a popular wiki is Wikimedia. No, a popular wiki is Wikipedia. This is also false. Number D, Google Drive is not a safe place to share your files. This is also false. Google Drive is very safe place to share our files. Last one, E, to write a new email message, click on compose button. Yes, this is true. First of all, we will click on compose button. Now explain the following. Blogging. So blogging is used as online diary where you can express your views and also you can post your opinions. So there are two famous blog websites, Blogger and Twitter. Next term which you have to explain, that is podcasting. Podcasting is the preparation and distribution of audio files to the computers of subscribed users. Okay, first of all, it will prepare the audio file and then he will distribute those audio files among the subscribed users. These files, after that, these files may be uploaded to multimedia players like the iPod. Next term which you have to explain, that is Skype. What is Skype? Skype is one of the chat software that allows users to communicate over internet. And also you can communicate and you can also talk with the help of microphone and face to face you can communicate with the help of webcam. Next one is Wiki. What is this Wiki? Wiki is a website that allows users to create, to add, to modify, or delete the website content via their web browsers. So the popular wiki free encyclopedia is Wikipedia. The last one is real-time communication. Real-time communication means sharing information and interacting with people through network connections as if they were face to face. Like they are sitting, those all person are sitting in front of them. In the same way, face to face, like they are talking. In this way, they can communicate with each other. In this way, today I was given the revision for chapter numbers from chapter 6 and chapter number 8. We discussed question answers from the book, exercises, and some extra questions also we discussed today. So what you have to do, you have to learn you have to learn for your third UT, chapter number 6 and chapter number 8. And you learn thoroughly the chapters. So, not only from these exercises or from these extra questions, learn thoroughly from inside the chapter, from anywhere questions can be asked. So, learn well and practice chapter 6 and chapter 8 for your third UT. Okay, have a very nice day. All the best for your exam.